Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. Oh my god, I'm in such a good mood today, but pay me no mind. Alright, so we are going to be doing some coconut curry shrimp today with white rice and fried plantains. So let's get started. Alright, so now I'm frying my plantains first. Alright, so don't judge my plantains. I like burnt stuff. So black. Yeah. So these are my plantains. Finished fried. So we're gonna put that one side and let's begin. Alright, so as I said guys, not much big of a deal. It's very quick, fast. Our main ingredient is the shrimp. We're going to be currying it. Salt and pepper to taste. And we're going to be using scallion, thyme, onion, hot pepper, lots of hot pepper, garlic, bell pepper, and I just want to add carrots to mine. I love carrots, so you don't have to use carrots. You could go ahead and use Irish or anything you want to use. You can add veggies to this dish to spice it up. And we're going to add our coconut milk. We're going to be cooking that down in some coconut milk. Yummy! So I just want you guys to know that someone requested this dish, so I'm doing it specially for the person. I don't quite remember the name. I think it's something about bun something. But I hope you're watching and I hope you enjoy this video, okay? If you do, just leave your comments in the box below and let me know what you think. Adding some fine chopped garlic to my shrimp. Alright, so guys, I'm going to find the guy name and come back. His name is Bloodstain. Bloodstain, I don't know what kind of name is that or who you are, but I hope if you're watching, I want to say big up yourself and thank you so much for supporting my video, and I hope you enjoy this, and I hope maybe while I'm cooking it you could taste a little bit on your tongue, because sadly I'm going to eat it all off, but that's okay. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so back to the prepping. Alright, so as you can see, my rice is already cooked. Kind of maybe too shelly, but that's how I like it. Alright, so I didn't show you guys to cook the white rice, but if you guys don't know how to cook white rice, go and check out my oxtail video and you get a little briefings about it. How to go about cooking white rice, okay? So now we're gonna start cooking our shrimp. I'm excited. These are my condiments: chopped thyme, scallion, hot pepper, diced sweet pepper, diced onion, diced carrots. Here is my shrimp. Alright, so right now I'm waiting on my pot to be very hot. Today I'm going to be cooking without no spoon. Alright, only no spoon, no hands. Only thing I'm going to use my hands to do is take up the condiments to put in the pot. Okay? Alright, so my pot is hot. First I'm going to add my curry. Let it burn a little. And then I'm going to add my condiments. Coconut milk, you can go ahead and turn down your stove to medium heat. Add your sweet peppers because you don't want those to overcook, so you add those for last. Alright, so shrimp takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook, so you don't want to add everything to the pot or add the shrimp first and then it overcook. You want a very juicy shrimp, so you add the vegetables that take longer to cook first, like the carrot that I add, and then I add the onion and the seasonings, and then I add the shrimp. So now I'm gonna have a nice juicy shrimp, spicy. All right. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.